September 28, 2021, police officers from the Anoka County Sheriff's Department in Minnesota were in pursuit of a fugitive from justice wanted on a rape charge. There was a warrant put out on him for not showing up to court just a few weeks prior. Earlier in the day, a peace officer ran plates of his car while conducting a traffic stop. During the stop, he sped off. From there, the officers formulated a plan to get him into custody. They would first start by utilizing stop sticks and soon pursue from there.
121st now, 1830. 4 David 12, missed the sticks. 4 David 12, missed the sticks, 1830. We're good. Big at 100. Good. Yeah, beginning 6 at 105th, 1831. And assist to another agency. 1765.
David, 14, you just hit a car. Grazed the car on 65 at 117th. Southbound. Dragging part of his car. Passing 113th. Coming up to 109th, I'm going to back off. There's a lot of traffic.
1831. Passing 109th.
Southbound, sticks were a good hit.
1833. You waiting in a vehicle or in the store?
Go, go, go. 1833. Damn it. Nope. He's in the ditch. Go, go, go. 1833. Damn it. Nope. He's in the ditch. Multiple unsuccessful hits.
Southbound in the median. You have no tires left, still driving up. Southbound in the median, no tires, still driving 234. 2033, He's got 3 vehicles now, 1834. Who believes she's an AFib ambulance at rescue. 1834.
Grab him less lethal. Guys, keep your cover. Oh, you know.
At last, the officers are able to box in the vehicle. However, their troubles would be far from over. After the officer tasers the man, the officer quickly climbs to the roof of his own cruiser, not only to evade the felon's knife, but any potential crossfire from his fellow officers. After the man is detained, he voices over and over for several minutes that they are killing me. It is important to note that, according to court documents, when the officers asked him, "Who is killing you?" the man's response was simply, "They."
They are killing me!
Hang on, man.
They are killing me! They are killing me!
Hey, we're going this way. We're just walking right over.
They are killing me!
Within minutes, he is treated at an ambulance for any injuries that may have occurred during the interaction. He was on a 15-year probation for a crime he committed in 2006, where he was convicted of forceful criminal sexual conduct in the 3rd degree. If you are quick with your math, you will have noted that his 15-year probation for his crimes were nearly over at the time of this police footage recording. He had roughly 2 more months of probation left to serve when this warrant was put out on him. In court, he was charged with the use of a dangerous weapon and with fleeing a peace officer in a motor vehicle. He was acquitted for both charges due to mental illness. His prior probation has also since been marked as complete. Court records indicate that the suspect had a long history of mental health issues in his 59 years of age. Since he was a teenager, he was hospitalized multiple times for schizophrenia. In 2006, he was diagnosed by a professional psychiatrist to be hearing auditory hallucinations and holding delusional beliefs. He also has a history of being held through civil commitment, meaning he was often held in a post-offense institutional detention for his own and the public safety. According to court records, he is currently committed at a facility listed as Commissioner of Human Services for an indeterminate term.
I would push for 2nd-degree assault on you.
I saw it when you were standing up. He was motion. He was swinging.
Sports Bar 717 University Avenue. Customers talking about.
I didn't see him go outside of the window.
No, but when you were getting close to the window,
Yeah.
he was.
I know he started to swing.
If he would have came out the window, then yeah, that's why it was.
He didn't come out, so